If you're running Oracle database and the support costs keep climbing, you're not stuck. More enterprises are moving their Oracle DB support to independent providers and saving a lot in the process. Third-party support lets you keep your existing Oracle licenses, stay compliant, and maintain stable database environments for a fraction of the cost. And unlike Oracle, these providers support older DB versions, custom configurations, and performance tuning without pushing you into upgrades you don't need. They focus on what matters: uptime, stability, query performance, and security hardening, not selling you the next migration. Here's your tip. Before renewing with Oracle, check how many patches or service requests you actually use. In the past year, most DB teams are shocked at how little they rely on Oracle support. If your Oracle database renewal is coming up, reach out, share your NDA and your support quote. We'll review everything and show you exactly how much you can save while keeping your databases fully supported and secure.